Hi Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you why I potentially will buy the market on Ethereum around 3,185 or 3,210. I do expect the market to come back down to create a higher low, and I will have my take profit. If you continue looking at this video, you will know exactly. I will also go through a little short about Bitcoin and see what I see and where we can potentially create the higher low on that period too. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see. And I wish you'll have a super great trading week and always trade with risk management. We're looking at Ethereum on the daily chart. We did break the resistance around 3,200, and we can use this previous resistance and see if we're having a pullback to see if we will create it as a new support, which means also a new higher low, and that could take us back up to 3,700 because the market is always bouncing between level to level. If we're going back at time and we were speaking about this one yesterday, we saw the market having before a support, which we saw the market bouncing from a couple of times until we actually saw the market breaking the level. We saw the market coming back up and retest the level, and then market had to bounce back down. So the same scenario that happened here, we're looking at it to where we are at the moment, but in this case we broke the resistance, potentially creates the new support around 3,200, and the first target that I'm looking at Ethereum coming to is 3,700. On Ethereum, I will wait and see for the market to come back down to potentially 3,188 and 3,210 because I took a Fibonacci from the lowest point at 3,098 to the highest point to where we are at the moment at 3,323 because the market is in a uptrend at the moment. So what I'm waiting for the market to do is come back down to create a potential higher low around these Fibonacci levels and then expect the market to come back up to 3,700, which will be my take profit. I will not have a buy limit order on this trade because I want to see if we're having a bigger pullback and I want to see how the market is behaving with the candlestick against this level. But I'm looking for a buy opportunity on Ethereum. Don't forget that you can receive a bonus up to $3,100 on Bybit through Bitcoinsensus. You're having the link in the description down below the video. So claim this bonus and always know that you're supporting Bitcoinsensus by doing that every time, so we're always able to sit here and share our thoughts with you on the charts. Bitcoinsensus also have a website where you can go in and see updates, daily updates about cryptocurrencies. You could go in here and read about news, etc. So just go in here. It's super good with guidelines. You have reviews, most popular, and you also have different categories here. And especially if you are a beginner, this website is super good for you. And you can just go in here, read how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin, etc., etc. And if you're just scrolling down, you can also see the previous live streams that me or videos, daily updates videos that me and Andy do have. Bitcoin is breaking 46,400, and the same thing that we're having on Ethereum, that we can use this support, previous support, as a potential new resistance and see if we are continuing back up. I'm still going to use the support trend line to see if we actually just come up and retest this level and then bounce back to the downside, or if we actually see the more momentum to the upside and potentially see a retest from below or at the support one more time, and that could take us to higher targets. I did use a Fibonacci which the market didn't respect, so we're just gonna take this one away and we're gonna use this previous support as a new level. We could potentially also see the market coming back down and retest the resistance that we did break around 43,700, and then you just might see the market creating a higher low around this level, and then you see the market coming to higher targets. But as I said, I will still use the support trend line to see if we're coming up to it and just for a quick retest and see the market bouncing back down, or if we actually have the momentum and the market is actually starting out to become bullish again. Thank you so much guys for looking at this short video together with me. I am traveling back to Sweden today, so safe travels to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you always know when I'm live. Please guys, tell me, what do you think will happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum? I hope you will have a super great week and we see each other later. For Sweden.